Hello Monster Jam fans and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Double Down Showdown double packs for Case A Spin Master Monster Jam. Welcome back everyone. Today is yet another brand new Spin Master first look review on the Double Down Showdown packs for Spin Master. Very cool, interesting name. And here's a sneak peek of what I'm going to show you guys in this video today. We have the Gravedigger versus Wildflower and the Jester versus Dragon, as well as the Storm Damage versus Blue Thunder. And then we will wrap it up, or I'm going to probably start with the loose ones that I got from the designers, which are Dozer and Gas Monkey Garage. So I will show you guys these ones probably first, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other ones. So we're going to start here with the Dozer versus Gas Monkey Garage. This pack was shown to us way back when the first prototypes were released. Of course, Dozer had a yellow roll cage. They corrected it to be a black roll cage, which I think actually looks much better. And of course, Gas Monkey Garage, which I will compare to the Mattel version here today. The Discovery Channel pack, pretty much, because they both have their own show on Discovery Channel. This, of course, is the first ever diesel Monster Jam truck. Not Monster Truck, but Monster Jam truck. And this is the Gas Monkey Garage from the Gas Monkey Garage show. So, let's take a look at the Gas Monkey Garage first. I think it's the best one to start with. So, here it is. And I actually really like this version because the original Mattel version was supposed to have this stripe here and the Dallas, Texas on the Gas Monkey Garage logo itself, but they actually took it off in the final version. And here's the comparison to the actual first Gas Monkey Garage. You could tell they actually changed the color to be Super B green, so it's a less harsh lime green. It's actually more of an accurate color. So there it is. You can see the difference in the style of the roof. The casting overall is much better, has more detail. Of course, you got the etching in the actual casting itself here. And yes, grill printing, although the lights are not there, the grill is painted in. At least that's something we got that Mattel did not offer us. And also, the tailgate has a license plate printed in, although it's just a silver bar, and a, of course, backlight. So you got the brake lights here, and then, of course, nothing on the Mattel version. So there's the comparison between Mattel's and the Spin Master version. So I'll get rid of this one for now, and I'll show you guys this one. So here it is, the Gas Monkey Garage. Here's the side panel. So we do have the Dallas, Texas underneath the gas and the end of the monkey. And then, of course, the black stripe with the monkey at the end. And then here's the casting on the top. Same thing, Dallas, Texas. This is a clear graphics truck because it is just a single color. So just like Mattel's version, we do have very clear graphics on this truck itself. And there's the Super B green rims with the BKT tires. Of course, the molded in driver and the headers and all that stuff. So there it is. The Gas Monkey Garage for the Double Down Showdown pack. Very awesome. I cannot wait to see what the public has to say about that one. And then we have the Dozer, which is also a very nice looking truck. I don't really have much of a complaint about this truck, although some people do say the casting should be a little thinner at the end here, but I think it looks pretty good. And then, of course, this needs to be sized up just a tiny bit. That's at least the feedback I've seen, but I think it looks really nice, very accurate to the real truck. Of course, the real truck used to have roll bars, but they came off during its crash, and I don't think they put them back yet, but that's how it originally looked. And, of course, you got the Diesel Brothers logo here. There's the Dozer logo there, and a Monster Jam logo. Taillight printing, which is very nice. And here's the front again. It does have a little bit of a 3D-ness to the grill. You guys can kind of see it in there. And then, of course, the roll bars all across the truck. These are all very solid. If you guys are wondering, if you didn't watch my first video, which I'll have in my description and at the end of the video, these are very solid. They have a nice weight to them. They roll really well, and they do turn. People are wondering if they turn. Yes, they turn. And they are the same size tire as Mattel's, I believe. But there it is, the BKT tire with the yellow rim. Beautiful piece, beautiful truck. A lot of people are really excited for it, and a great pack to have. This is the Wildflower versus Gravedigger. They did change the rim color to green on the final product of Wildflower. They also corrected the logo, so that's a new logo on the truck packaging itself. And of course, the Gravedigger with the charcoal gray rims. If you guys are wondering, this is what the back of the box looks like. It advertises the other versions of the trucks. So Gas Monkey Garage versus Dozer, that's the back of the box. So we're gonna open it up, the official first look at Wildflower and Gravedigger. So we'll start with this one actually because I think Wildflower should stay for the end of this part. So here it is, the charcoal gray rimmed Gravedigger. If you guys want to see a comparison, here's my original Case A Gravedigger. So you can see there, the chrome rim color is different, of course, than the green, but in a normal Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck, you can see the rim color is actually much darker. So that's very cool. So they did a really nice charcoal gray rim style on this Gravedigger, and of course, They also corrected the side panel to have the graphics go all the way to the end. This looks just like a real Gravedigger, I have to say. Very nice. And it sits like a real Gravedigger at an angle, downward angle, so very cool. And there's the graphics, of course, for Gravedigger. Very flashy with these charcoal chrome rims. So very happy with this one. And there it is again, the Gravedigger from Case A Spin Master that I reviewed in my other video. And here's the Gravedigger from Hot Wheels Monster Jam. Of course, I did the comparison last time to these two trucks in the previous video. So there they are. And yes, they are a little bit longer in length. So the Spin Master trucks are a little more to scale than the Hot Wheels Monster Jam were. So there it is, Gravedigger. And then, of course, the truck everyone wants to know some more details about, Wildflower. So, yes, I guess they changed the rims at the last moment to green. They used to be pink. And they do not have the grill printing just yet, but they do. I think they might be working on it. I'm not sure. Hopefully they will. But that's still pretty cool to see it, regardless, the Wildflower in the release. So it has a purple chassis, a pink chrome roll cage. And you can see the headers there are purple because the headers are actually connected to the roll cage. And then it says Rosalie, got the Wildflower. Just an amazing truck to actually see in diecast form finally. I don't care what it looks like. I'm just happy we finally got it. But it does look really good, regardless of what people do say about it. But this is the only truck to actually have a modified roll cage. Every single other truck has a same style universal roll cage. This is actually the only truck to have a modified one, so that's pretty cool. Little fun fact. And there's the roof. Of course, it got the bolts in it, so it kind of is showing that's a metal roof because on the real truck it is a piece of metal. And then, of course, on the front grille we have 3D grill bars, so you can actually feel them. And there's the front here. The only thing I have to say about Wildflower is it is missing, or it should get some vines on the hood here with 2 roses. That's on the real truck. And then, of course, I've spoke about this before, the grill printing. Hopefully they'll look into that. But regardless, this thing looks amazing. I love the green rims. It balances out the color much better than the pink ones did. Although I do prefer pink rims for maybe future releases of it. If it does happen to have future releases, I think pink rims would look really nice on some version of it. The green rims definitely stand out really well, though. So there it is, Wildflower diecast version of the Spin Master line. So I'm very happy. I'm sure Rosalie's thrilled to have this truck finally out. And maybe, hopefully we'll maybe see Time Flies in the future. I'm hoping to see it in this casting or something else. So next up, we have the most popular one, the Storm Damage versus Blue Thunder. Here's the back of the box. You can see it has the Dragon and Jester. And we're going to open this thing up. Here we go. Here they are for the first time out of the box, the Blue Thunder and Storm Damage. Instantly on the Blue Thunder, my first impressions are that I'm so happy that they finally fixed the paint color, or they finally made an accurate version of this diecast, because we've been waiting for a while now for Mattel, which is now over with, to get a correct blue paint color. But the previous version of Mattel's Blue Thunder had a bright baby blue paint job, which is not accurate to how the truck should be. It should be this color, and they actually got that detail down, which I'm very happy with, and it matches the real truck. They also changed a lot about the lightning since the prototype version, so I'm very happy with how they did that. And of course, the Monster Jam logo is right there. You got the taillights, and on both sides the taillights, and of course the Feel the Energy tailgate right there. Let me zoom in there so you can see it better. So there's the Feel the Energy on the tailgate, and there's the side panel of Blue Thunder. And then, of course, the front grille is painted in, and headlights are applied. So that's very awesome. A great detail that they added on there. Very happy they're finally doing that again, or they're finally doing that for us, because Mattel never did that since back in like 2011, I believe. And then here's Blue Thunder on the hood and the roof. Very awesome. And of course, the entire truck just looks great. This is the standard pickup truck tooling, so you guys will be seeing this a lot, I'm sure, in the future. And of course, here it is compared again to the old Blue Thunder from Mattel. So let me zoom out there. The difference I like, of course, is the blue paint job is much better, and the rim color is gray instead of chrome. Gray rims are much better in my opinion, and a lot of people agree with that. So besides that, though, this is a big deal. This is awesome. So thank you so much, Spin Master, for that. And of course, you can see the driver inside there. So there it is, the Blue Thunder for Spin Master. And then, of course, the truck that everyone loves. Everyone agreed in the community that this is probably one of the best ones. I actually know the designer of this personally, so it's very awesome. He's also very happy that they liked it, and I'm very happy that the community likes it as well. The Storm Damage for the Spin Master diecast line. It is the square body, of course. It's not a Titan tooling. It's actually the actual body that they use, and it's very awesome. So you can see the grill is painted in here with the entire design, just super awesome. I actually heard the story behind how he designed this, and it's awesome to see how he recreated the decals for it. So there it is, the Storm Damage with the lime green, and then of course the orange and the reds and the white. Super cool. And there's the blue roll cage and headers, and then of course the gray rims right there. So there's Storm Damage. Awesome looking truck, beautiful. Definitely one of the top ones so far, and I'm very excited to see what else he has in store for us. So there it is, Storm Damage from the Double Down Showdown pack with Blue Thunder. And finally, we have the last Double Down Showdown pack. It is the Dragon versus Jester, a #1 truck as well that people wanted to see was Jester in purple. We did not get that from Mattel in the final year, but we did get the green version, which I'll show you guys in a second. But here it is. The back of the box is the Blue Thunder versus Storm Damage, of course. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to take a look at the brand new Dragon, the 3D version, and of course the purple Jester. So here they are out of the box, Dragon and Jester. First impressions of both, amazing. Both of them are absolutely accurate. The Dragon, just look at this thing. This is absolutely amazing how accurate they did this one. The horns, everything, just 100%. Besides the fact that they cut off the back here because of, I don't know why actually, but they cut off the back. Besides the fact that the back is missing, I think everything else on this Dragon is just like they shrunk down the real truck and put it into diecast form. I will get to that one. I think I'm going to start with Jester here, though, because this one's a little less detailed. It's pretty easy to review this one, but here it is, the Jester. We saw this at World Finals 19 as a reveal. They did run the body a couple times, I believe, after that, but here it is, Jester from Tomfoolery Motorsports. Amazing. They did the grille printing and headlights. They actually got the Star Creations logo on there, unlike the previous version, which had the World Finals printing, Las Vegas, so they never actually had a Hot Wheels version with that. So there it is. And here's the other side of Jester. You can see it says Just Delayed, which is actually pretty cool. They did not do that on the Hot Wheels version. And there it is on the side panel. And here's the roof of the entire thing. There's very cool, nice purple details. Purple paint is amazing as well. No complaints on it. And there's the back, of course, Tomfoolery Motorsports. I think it says, when it comes to racing, we don't fool around. I think that's their little slogan. And there's, of course, the nice, not super gold rims, which I'm very happy about, a bronze-ish kind of color. So it actually looks very nice. So there it is, the Jester, Just Delayed purple version from World Finals 19 and so on. So very awesome. I'm very happy they finally made it in some sort of diecast form. But of course, Spin Master did it really well with the grille printing and everything. So there it is, Jester. And of course, the one that I really want to review, the Dragon 3D version from the International Tour, which we saw debut in the International Tour. So this is going to be coming to Monster Jam in the ice form as well. And I hope to see an ice version of it in diecast, probably in the future. And I think Spin Master is the one who actually designed ice and fire trucks for the actual tour. So I'm pretty sure we'll probably get it in the future, but we'll see. The one thing I really like about this truck, first off, is that they actually added nostrils on the truck. The original non-3D version of Mattel's actually have little nubs, where the original prototype actually had nostrils on the hood as well. But the real truck had these on both versions. This one obviously has them actually etched in and printed in, so super cool. You can see the detail of the decals here. And of course the spikes are 3D, and the yellow or orange window here, dark orange. A lot of detail on the roof here. Of course the horns are a little bit like a rubbery, not super movable, but they are a little bit rubbery. And you can see the wrinkles and stuff on top, and the scales, of course, running down the middle. And the fins, or the wings on the top here, of course, printed in as well. And the Dragon, the mouth is 3D, and the teeth are also 3D. So everything here is 3D. And there's the eye, of course, inside the Dragon. And then there's the Monster Jam logo. Again, the back is missing. It should be curved down, but I'm not sure why they did that, but I think it looks great anyway. No complaints on Dragon at all. And there's the orange rims and the nice black roll cage. So again, there's the comparison between Mattel's. Mattel's is pretty accurate, I'll have to say. Besides the nostrils missing and the back not being printed on, this was pretty accurate to how the Dragon used to look, and this is the new one, so this is really good. So I have to give Spin Master credit for this one. This was not expected by me. I did not expect to see this one come out so soon, but I'm very happy they decided to do this version of it for the first year because it looks amazing. So that is Dragon, Jester, and of course the rest of the Double Down Showdown packs for this Spin Master Case A. I'm very happy and thrilled to be able to show them off to you guys first before anyone else, and I cannot wait to do some more reviews in the future. The 1/24 scale trucks will be coming out on video soon. I just have to get them out of the box and review them next. So those are next up. These had to come out first though, because I really want to show you guys these out of the box. So there we go, Jester, Dragon, Storm Damage, all those great trucks in one video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you again, Spin Master and Monster Jam. And leave your comments below what you guys think about them, and I'll get back to you soon. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.